Okay, for some reason it didn't record right, so we're going to start right here. If you divide this one like it's supposed to be so far, that's as far as you get. Okay? But your directions will say 3 digits. So here's what we're going to do. How many numbers are past this decimal?
1.
And we don't want to have a remainder because we got to have how many digits? 3. All right, so we add what?
0.
That's it. Where do I put it?
Behind 8.
Behind the 8. That's right.
It's supposed to be a 4. It's supposed to be a 4.
Ah, well, thank you. You're so right. It's supposed to be a 4. Now what?
You subtract.
And?
7
I
goes.
did.
7 goes into 40. 6 times.
Yep. No,
7
5
times.
5.
You get 35, and you subtract that, and you get 5.
That's right. Now what? Do I have 3 digits yet?
No.
No. So we got to add another 0. I don't care what that number is this time. After I get this one here, I'm stopping. 7 goes into 50.
6 times.
Nope.
7 times.
Good. 7. All right. Now I'm stopping because
You already have 3 digits behind.
I have 3 digits past the decimal. So here's what I want you to do for your work. I want you to circle the second digit, which is in the hundredths place. Put a little arrow on the 7, and that number in the third digit place is going to decide if we're going to round up or round down. If this number is 5 or higher, what happens to this number?
Goes up.
Okay, it goes up 1. So I want you to outside to the side, so we can put 9.26 and circle it, and that way I will know that you have rounded correctly. Now, if you get through the problem and you got 0.2 and you don't have a remainder, then you can stop. But if you have a remainder, you got to keep going to the third digit. Because we just got through with number 1 a while ago and it was fine. It was easy peasy. Okay? Any questions? Okay, copy that one down so you can have that in your notes. Very, very good. Okay, now we're doing number 4. This will be number 4 for your work that you've got to take home for this next week. So when you get your packet, you must copy everything down for number 4. Is there a decimal in the divisor? No. So what do I do here?
Leave it.
Bring it up.
Bring it up. That's it. And here we go. Quickly. Watch me, and when we get through, I'll give you time to write it down. 6 goes into 8.
1 time.
Well, I'm still where my finger is. That's where we don't put anything over here yet. Then 1 times 6.
6.
Then what do we do?
You subtract it, you
Don't
get 2.
forget your divide, times, and subtract. Okay, when we subtract, we get
2.
2. Now what?
You bring the 0 down.
Remember, this number here, when you subtract, must be smaller than what you divided by. Okay, bring down the 0. How many times will 6 go into 20?
3.
Where do I put the 3?
On top of the
Behind the 1. In front of the decimal.
Okay, 6 times 3?
18. You subtract.
Now
you get
subtract.
2.
Get it to, go girl, keep going.
26. 6 goes into 26 4 times. 6 times 4 is 24.
See how easier this is if you know your multiplication facts. Woohoo! Okay, subtract and I get?
2.
Do I have 3 decimal places, 3 digits yet? No.
No.
And I still have a remainder, so I gotta keep going, okay?
6 bring down the 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times.
Good job.
18.
18. You say, oh, you're getting faster on me. That means you're learning. It means you're gonna remember.
6 goes into 20 3 times.
3 times. And minus 18 equals.
Now, do I care that do I care if I need to subtract this or not?
No.
No, because
you
how
got
many
3
digits?
3.
That's, we're satisfying the requirements that the directions say. The direction says carried out 3 digits. That's it. I'm saying we're going to round and use that third digit to round from. So really we're going to round to the nearest hundreds. That's right. Now is this neighbor 5 or higher?
No.
Lower.
It's lower, so what do we do to make it less? What do we do when it's less than 5?
You take it off.
Out.
Just take it off. That's exactly right. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be 13.43. Boom, I'm done.
easy.
Makes it easier when I do it fast up here, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Copy that down, please. All right, let's do one more. We're still getting ready for next week. The next one, this number will be, I hope it's a long one so I can show you how we're supposed to do all this. Looks like it's going to be, yep, number 5. So we're going to do number 5. Oh, it happens to be divided by 5. We pick the easy one. 0.284. 284 thousandths. Remember, we're rounding to 3 digits. You ready? You're looking at me, so you can write it down when we get through. I want to hear your voices. Ready? What's the first thing I do?
You
put
bring
the
the decimal over.
Got it. Go. Go.
So 5
5 can't go into 2, so
Okay. Keep going.
you do 28 divided by 5. 28, 5 goes into 28, 5,
5 times.
no, 3 times.
All right, Denise, you tell us what the first thing we do.
You divide 5 into 28.
5 into
2.
Okay. Well, 5 go into 2.
No.
Keep going.
So you put 0.
Okay. Then what?
You divide 5 into 8. Oh. 2,
Uh-huh.
8.
Uh-huh. All right. Rihanna?
So after you subtract it, you see 5 goes to 28 5 times is 28 minus 25.
Good girl. All right. Jacoby, what's next?
You mean Jacob?
Jacob?
Oh, next,
No wonder he ignored me. Jacob.
next you have to subtract 25 minus 8, which is 3.
All right. Then what, Jacob?
Take out the 4.
Good. Now what?
And then you have to do how many times can 5 go to 30, which is 6. There, minus 30.
I knew what you meant. All right. Let's see. How many more words and girls I can mispronounce today? Katie? What I do now, Katie?
Next, you see,
This way. Look up this way.
you put a 0 and then 8, bring it down.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you already have to do
And 5 goes instead of 40. 4, 3. 8 times.
It actually goes 8. But what do we notice? How many numbers do we have already? 3. We already have 3, so we don't even need the 8, so we're just going to take that off because directions just tells us to go out 3 digits. Okay, who wants to round for me today? Jonas? How am I going to round that 3-digit number?
So 6 get round to wait, yeah. 6 come round to 10. So
If this number's 5 or higher, what happens to this number?
it go up.
That's right, it goes up. So my answer is decimal 0, 6.
6. Definitely 6.
Okay? Got it?